everyone. We are the Parsons School-Based Support Team. I am Michelle DiMaselli. I am the resource room teacher here at Parsons. I focus on IEP goals, and I also support students and teachers in the classroom.
Hi, I'm Nikki Martelli. I am one of the Parsons speech and language pathologists. I work directly with students to support their speech and language needs. I also collaborate with the classroom teachers and support staff.
I'm Sophia Conti. I'm a new speech language pathologist at Parsons. I'm here Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and we work as a team here, so we want you to feel free to reach out to one of us or your classroom teacher with any concerns.
I'm Dr. Annie Josephson. I'm one of the school psychologists here. I'm here Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And some of the things that Jen and I are involved in are groups, individual sessions, and comprehensive evaluations.
Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Jennifer Stein. I'm one of the school psychologists here at Parsons. In addition to what Annie referred to, I wanted to just say that most importantly, we are here for the children and the families and the staff at Parsons, which is probably the most important thing that we can do for you. So please feel free to reach out to either of us at any time. We're really looking forward to a wonderful year.